Good evening, everyone. I just want to do this a segment, the waste not, want not segments, and here is one of my shoes. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a repair. I'm going to show you right quick. You can see. I'm going to see if I can. See right here. Let me here. Get the light here. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Let me see here. Okay. If you can see, the shoe, the part of the shoe is coming apart, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue it using the this fabric a glue. Okay. I hope everyone is doing well wherever you are. Let's see. All right, here we're gonna hold this, and we're gonna make sure that it will hold. Make sure it will hold and get, make sure it's secure. Make sure it will bond with the on the shoe. You usually can stitch it up, but it's best to do this, and save money, save $10, if you can believe that. So I hope everyone is doing well wherever you are, and I will see you guys on the next live. And have a great weekend and a great week, rest of the week. Take care, everyone.